I'm sorry. Oh, that's a good idea.
Get out of here.
Don't do that.
Don't go in the house.
He just. I'm sorry. Oh my God, Chica, I'm so sorry. Can you hear him? Oh, one came out. One came out, and then Aaron. Oh, another one came out. There you go. Okay, so they're coming out one by one. I'm filming. Aaron's all, are you filming me? You gotta get this. I'm being heroic. There's another one. This is so crazy. Yeah, like one at a time. We have like literally like 45 more to go. And one came out, and then Aaron like swatted at it to get it further away from the door, and it like flew back in the house. So he's like, no. We need to turn on here. I'm gonna go in the garage and turn on the lights in the garage. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.